Okay?
Hello.
Yes.
Dito kami ngayon sa sa Jordan. Anong lugar na to?
Nantoka Valley dayo.
Yes.
Jordan Valley.
Jordan Valley.
Yes.
This is where Moses
Lakad kang pa ganun.
This is Meribah. Massa.
Is that the one we do the
The red, that one. The Green Valley. Wherein the water gushed out.
what did you do?
But look at the surrounding. It's an arid land. How come there is water around the arid land? Praise the Lord. Yes.
ganda no? Ganda.
Ganda. Hindi mabibili yan.
Yes.
Walang bayad yan.
One is enough, two is too much.
Say hello. Sa Syria. Nasa Syria.
Okay. See you there in Japan. Beautiful place.
Series ended a beautiful place.
We should have breakfast at 6 and then leave at 6:30.
Yeah. Dito yung yung pumunta si Moses, 'di ba? Na hindi na siya pinapasok sa Jerusalem. Yes.
Ganda naman. May basket ng bata kanina dun.